This is Chris. We're looking at here is a very large pile of Las Vegas pink. We saw a lot of it, so we stock a lot of it. We can deliver this material to you anywhere in the USA. We've gone as far as upstate New York with this. Why? I don't know. Other than that's what the buyer demanded, so that's what he got. How pink is it? Well, contrasted with some white ice DG on the right, and that's how pink it is. Las Vegas pink or rainbow rock or Vegas pink comes in a variety of sizes from 3/8, 3/4, rock rubble, and large boulders. Actually comes in an absolutely gorgeous slab countertop sandstone. That's a whole different story, but talk about an incredible, unusual cut of rock. And here we have it contrasting against some white ice DG. And happy to send this to you anywhere in bags or bulk.